Am I
Am I
struggling?
struggling?
Am I contented?
Am I struggling?
Am I happy?
Am I contented?
Am I achieving my goals?
Am I contented?
I come to realize that the earlier I dove into these questions,
questions.
the more mature I begin to take hold of my own life.
These questions.
I myself don't want to be a part of the echoing choirs of should haves and would haves. I want to be among the few ones who dare to live and enjoy life,
Am I happy?
to breathe in my personal dreams and turn them to realities. I want to take ownership of my life and be the author of every page of this wonderful gift from above.
Am I happy? Am I happy?
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not.
Am I happy?
I will make smart and horrible
Horrible
choices.
choices.
But the thing is, I will commit them on my
On my own.
and I won't have anyone else to blame.
On my own.
Remain positive and grab every opportunity to learn, reflect, and grow from the things that truly matters. Because whether it is sweet or bitter, life is a gift. Treasure it.
Treasure it.